was only following orders. They threatened to behead me and my wife if I didn't carry out their plans.
Their plans of killing my son?
My elder, it has happened.
What has happened?
The queen, she's asking questions.
About the death of Prince Kina?
Yes, my elder.
Choose the threats you bow to carefully. One party prefers to say, the other party prefers to do. Be careful.
I'll wipe out your entire family. Your bloodline will be terminated and forgotten forever.
My queen, I was only following orders. They threatened to behead me and my wife if I didn't carry out their plans.
Their plans of killing my son? My loving Prince Kina, the rightful heir to the throne of Ndunze Kingdom.
I'm sorry, my queen.
Shut up! Oh, you strongly believe that your life and that of your miserable wife is more valuable than that of a future king.
No, my queen. Elder Madu also threatened to kill every member of my household till the very last of my offspring. He took one life each day that passed until I agreed to do his bidding.
How dare you accuse Elder Madu of such a heinous crime? Elder Madu has been nothing but loyal to me and to Prince Kina. Everyone knows how much he loved and cared for the late Prince Kina. He even offered the late prince, his first daughter, to be married to him without a bride price.
This is true, my queen. But crimes like this are most likely carried out by people you least expected, therefore making it hard for the real perpetrators to get caught.
Do not think that you'd be spared. I'm only keeping you alive until you can prove that what you said is true. If in the end, I figure out that you have lied against Elder Madu, I'll wipe out your entire family. Your bloodline will be terminated and forgotten forever.
My queen, the truth about this whole thing is that...
Keep quiet and get out of my sight before I have you killed.
Thank you so much, my queen.
Ndu, we have been searching for you everywhere. What are you doing in a place so far away from the heart of Fulanka, our village?
What do you mean by that? Do I not have the freedom to move around as I please?
Of course you do. We were just worried about your safety. You know that this area is a dangerous place to be since we have been experiencing frequent attacks from those mysterious monsters.
Yes, I know that, and thank you so much for your concern. I'm just a bit surprised that the two of you have been searching for me. Is there a problem?
Well, there is no problem, except you are probably creating one for everyone in the village of Fulanka.
What do you mean by that?
We were wondering if you are immune to attacks by these monsters. How is it that you walk around freely in these dangerous areas without a fear of being attacked by a monster?
Who told you that I'm not careful about these monsters? Does it look like I am made of steel or something?
Well, who knows?
You guys are sounding very ridiculous. Is there something you are not telling me?
You were seen protecting a boy some days back, an outcast from Bafira. Do you deny this?
And who told you this?
Does it matter? I wonder what would happen to you when the whole village becomes aware of your secret games with the enemy.
Well, I wonder if you can prove what you're saying. I have been a loyal warrior of Fulanka since my childhood.
And yet, you choose to work with Mr. Della to invite trouble to our peaceful village, Ulanka.
What do you mean by that?
The mysterious monsters murdering our people came as a result of your secret dealings with Mr. Della and the outcasts of Bafira.
This is ridiculous and laughable. Even if I were to accept having anything to do with the people of Bafira, I can assure you that we had no business with Bafira the first time I saw one of these monsters.
Oh, now we should believe you, right? The monster attacked you, I presume.
No, it did not. It attacked Della and
what?
I challenged it to rescue Mr. Della.
Greetings, Elder Ua.
Greetings to you. I was off on an important assignment with Prince Gandu. I received your message and decided to meet up with you as soon as I could.
It is very good. I'm glad you did.
What was so urgent that you could not let me return from my place of assignment first?
My elder, it has happened.
What has happened?
The Queen, she's asking questions.
About the death of Prince Kina?
Yes, my elder.
Hope you are aware of our little agreement. I mean, with regards to your parents, your pregnant wife, your brothers and all your children.
My elder.
And of course, the lands and the titles, and what you would be remembered for if you are eventually forced to leave this world, along with everyone connected to you in any single way.
It is very clear to me, my elder.
Good. Very good. Then we stick to our plans. If anyone's head is going to go in for this, it should be the head of Elder Madu, not mine, nor that of King Gandu. And if perhaps you choose to play smart, the closer the sword gets to my neck, the more the number of your family members slaughtered piles up.
I won't fail. Please don't hurt any more members of my family. I beg of you. Please, my elder.
This is not a time to beg or cry. I am sure you know exactly what to tell the Queen and what not to tell her. Play your part well and all will play out well for you and your family.
I will. The Queen has asked me to provide evidence against Elder Madu before the next market day. Else
what? Is her threat greater than mine? Perhaps you need me to demonstrate my abilities a little more.
No, please.
Good. Choose the threats you bow to carefully. One party prefers to say, the other party prefers to do. Be careful. As for the evidence against Elder Madu, this is what we are going to do. Follow me.
Wait, no just go like that now. Help me press that subscribe button and the bell wey dey in front so that you go follow for the first people wey go dey see our future videos.